Good morning!
Yeah!
We're in Vancouver. Seawheeze, day one. Here we go. Alright, so it's early. We are now walking to the Seawheeze showcase store. You guys hyped?
Oh, fuck yeah.
We're ready. First stop, of course, had to be coffee. Sid? You better hang on to that coffee. We don't want to repeat it last year, right?
4 cups of the day, and then the coffee that you had this morning takes you over the top, which makes you a coffee hoarder or whatever, the coffee addict.
Is this my, what is it called? What is it called? Intervention? Is that
No,
what's
we'll
happening?
get there later.
Okay.
The intervention would be this.
Oh! This is the saddest day of my life. Look at how much was left. That was nothing.
There's some in there. You can have it. You're on the way, Patrick. You gotta pass.
Currently waiting in line for the Seawheeze showcase store. It's been about an hour and a half, so now we're seated. Just a little bit lower. Perfect. We're in! Woo! Crushed the Seawheeze store. How we do, Sid?
Oh, damage was done.
Trev?
Hey, less money than last year. I mean, hey.
Less money than last year.
We're so the
Not
best.
terrible. Alright, Sid. Show them what I got. Out here at Packet Pickup with a view. Where we at, Sid?
Letting yourself open up. Awesome. If you've got someone close to you, you can also cactus your hands so that you're not kind of unintentionally slapping them.
So we finished up at the showcase store this morning and rolled out a little bit at the Plaza. How was it?
You know what? Feeling good. You know, budget out some money. Got a long weekend to go.
We're gonna swing back to the Plaza a little bit later today. We're currently walking through Grouse Mountain. Going to the Lululemon lab, exclusive Lululemon store in Vancouver. We're back at the event now, and we had an idea. We're gonna go for 50 burpees between the 3 of us. At 50 different locations around the event.
Coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LA BB, who we running with, 2, 2, 3, 3. I'm on 10 again. State your name, big dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming. Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah. LA BB, who we running with, yeah. 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again.
What are we doing?
We're gonna go get some tattoos.
Look sexy.
Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah. LA BB, who we running with, yeah. 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10, 10, 10, yeah.
All right, Seawheeze day 1 done. Coming back to the Plaza here tomorrow morning, bright and early, 6 a.m. Gonna run. Anything else?
No. Not ready.
Budget is still good. Warming up, Pat and Sid in line for a gear check. Just getting the legs loose. It's gorgeous. This is the finishing area. Let's see what else is going on. This is Chris right here.
Ready?
Let's do this.
We got this.
Just got up, something's wrong. I waited up with wounds on my feet. Where will you be? Flickering through memories, the Polaroids yellowed in the sun, longing to be seen. So come and hide, hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Come and hide, hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Bright, I called you up just to hear your voice on the machine.
We're back after the race now. How are we feeling, team?
Pretty good, man. Pretty good.
Sid, how are we feeling?
Sure.
Legs are dead.
Calves are burning.
Calves are burning. Sid?
I'm hungry.
Hungry. Coffee, of course. Snacks. So walking towards the Sunset Festival now. But, Sid,
What's up?
tell me what you got going on here.
I don't know the names of them, but I got this Lululemon jacket,
Spread it.
Lulu sweatshirt. I got the fanny pack.
I mean, you know,
Sweet
because
shades.
it's raining, you know, and it's so cold out.
It's freezing.
Exactly.
So, Trev's in a tank top.
What's up?
Sid's got 2 jackets on. we? We're at
we're in
Grouse
Canada.
Mountain now.
Grass Mountain?
Grouse Mountain.
Grouse Mountain.
Grouse Mountain. And yeah, we took the sky tram of the mountain to the top of the mountain where we are now. Watched the lumberjack show.
Lumberjacks?
We watched the bird show.
Got the birds.
The birds.
And now we're on the chairlift.
Whoa, you forgot the grizzly bears.
Oh yeah, we saw the grizzly bears.
And then you forgot the beaver's tail.
We had beaver's tail.
Thank you. You know what they say, when in Grouse Mountain, gotta get a beaver tail.
They're loony. They're worth $1, which equals 100 cents. What do you want? Solid gold. This one is from 2015, so it's probably been around the world twice. And you can find it in your local Canadian shop.
That's amazing.
And yeah, check it out.
I thought she was gonna rip the bag. That would've been cool.
Show me your beaver tail.
That's gonna be messy. No, go ahead.
Tell me about it.
So all I'm eating today is pretty much pure sugar. I had some Cliff Bars, had some more Cliff Bars, had some donuts. Now I'm on to some beaver tail. Oreo flavored, baby.
Yeah.
Thoughts, preview?
That's pretty good.
Just pretty good?
No, it's good.
Just good?
It's pretty good.
I can't press.
It's like a donut with Nutella on it.
It's like a pastry pizza.
I'm not even tasting.
Pastry pizza.
Just swallowing it.
Yeah, where'd yours go, Jay?
Where it's supposed to be.
Yes. And then now we're on the chairlift. It's moving pretty fast.
Oi! Oi!
Hold on tight, baby. Hold on tight.
Such a big drop.
It's not moving that fast, but it is a big drop.
Woo! Makes it funny that my
Sid, you
water
good?
bottle's hanging out the back.
Sid, you good?
Yeah, I'm good. Where are the doors? I just want doors.
You were representing this chairlift to the max earlier, and then out of nowhere, it's just
Normally there's doors.
everyone.
You can let go now.
Come on, hands up.
This is where we get off, Sid.
Let me get off.
All right, you might want to.
Oh, I don't like that.
You guys can raise that bar up. And it's jumping up at the red line. There we go.
You just runs.
Walking, coming faster than I can walk.
Alright, so return trip back down now. We're going back down the is it stopping? Nope.
No.
Alright. How's Sid? Sid's not doing so great.
I'm not okay.
Quick sit update.
Trev? Quick Sid update. Oh!
Oh!
We're stopping.
Why did
We're
it do
stopping.
that?
Okay,
Don't
we're
stop
going.
it.
We're moving.
It's the worst.
Trev?
Oh, we moving and grooving, getting back to Vancouver. Grouse Mountain.
Grouse.
Grouse Mountain. You stick your head over. It's not any better.
you hear that, Sid? You want to say that again, Trev?
Yeah, if you stick your head over the railing, it doesn't get any better, but it's a cool view.
Oh my god.
Sid, there. There you go. It's coming. I feel like they're going the same speed as us.
Fast unload, Sid. Alright, Sid, you made it. What do you think?
Never doing that again.
Want to go for round 2?
That sounded funny.
That was the lowest heel clip I've ever seen.
It hurts.
End of the weekend now.
Okay, hype it up, boy. Woohoo! Do you know what is coming? We've been waiting all day for this. Let him know, Pat. Let him know.
Alright, so we're doing milkshakes, but not just any milkshakes.
Oh, no.
These are $14 milkshashakes.
Actually, $12.95.
Well, that
Canadian. That's Loonies and Toonies we talk about.
Let's not even talk about it anymore. Let's just show them.
What's it called? A Nerd's Rope. Like a birthday cake.
Sit.
So I'm thinking.
That's brownie.
Taking a while.
First bite. 482 to go.
That was just straight whipped cream and brownie. What's going on, Sid? You got a lot left. What's going on there?
Not gonna make it.
Trevor's helping out.
You look
That's going
slouched. Trev? You look like you're doing well. You're almost there.
Good, man.
Now Trevor's digging into yours. Trev, you look depleted.
No, I'm almost done. Give me like 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
I can't finish it.
You guys look awful. Absolutely awful.
Bro, me too.
We got it out.
One of these is gonna be throwing up.
You're scared? I'm the one sitting right in front of him. I should be the one that's scared.
I think I got room for more. No, I'm kidding. Or two. Fuck out of here.
You good? You alright?
I am not okay.
So, Trev?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, just gotta keep burping. Feeling better.
Well, I certainly did not finish the milkshake. Trevor did.
Pounded that motherfucker.
Sid did not. Whatever the case, we're done. We're out. We're calling it a night. We're close to puking. We'll see you tomorrow. We're in our last day here in Vancouver, and we just packed up all our stuff. We got all of our gear around here, got out of the Airbnb, walked down to the Granville Island public markets, and now we're sitting having brunch at Edible on the island. We just ordered a duck poutine and some other brunch foods, so it'll be pretty interesting. See how it is, and then we'll see what we get up to for the rest of the day. Thank you.
Yes.
Damn, look at that bacon. Thick bacon.
Trev, show me that bacon.
Look at this thing, boy.
Look at yours. That's thicker.
Oh my
Boy.
gosh.
That is some thick. Oh. Made it into the public markets now, and the one place we had to stop, of course, Lee's Donut.
Lee's Donuts, because you know
Donuts.
stress is spelled backwards.
It is dessert.
Now the chocolate glazed. Oh yeah.
Trevor.
Old-fashioned glazed. Oh,
Honey dip. The recommended. Oh, they're so soft. Look at that. As if we haven't already had enough dessert this whole weekend, Sid has found a puff cream. What are you doing, Sid?
I'm getting some puff cream.
What is this?
Part 4 of our brunch adventure.
Very random question for you.
Kid size. That's good.
It's not a bad way to end the trip here. We sitting on this bench right at the edge of this pier. We got live music. The guitar action behind us. Looking out at the river and the city. Good vibes here on the last day.
Get up, fear I've grown. You're holding stone inside of me. She says, oh, don't you know? They're rolling stones stop at the sea. And that's where I'll be. Sometimes I'm sure that I know no one. 1,000 faces but no names. She says, my love, you do know someone. But when I know you back just the same.